looking for a healthy way to kickstart your mornings, today I'm going to be sharing recipes for 2 juices that you should definitely try. And today let's see the recipe for 2 hydrating and refreshing vegetable juices. So the first juice that I'm going to make is the red blend. For that I'm going to chop up half an apple here. Apples are very good for the heart, and of course an apple a day keeps the doctor away. We know all of that. So let's just add these pieces into the blender. 1 small raw beetroot, which is very energizing and also is very good for the skin. 1 carrot that I've roughly chopped. This also helps improvising your eyesight. 1 stalk of celery that I've roughly chopped. Celery here gives a very nice flavor to the juice and also is an antioxidant and improves memory. Next, I'm just going to add in a few mint leaves. No vegetable juice should be made without lemon. It's a must. So let's add in as per taste. Just a dash of black salt, a few cubes of ice, and let's blend all these ingredients together. After you grind all the vegetables together into a smooth pulp, let's add in some water and some few ice cubes as well. There are 2 ways to enjoy this juice. 1, if you want all the benefits of the fiber, then drink it as it is. If you don't like the thick and the pulpy texture, then strain it. So choice is yours, however you want to serve it. I'm going to serve it as it is. If you feel it's quite thick, you can always water it down. Of course, the main ingredient for this recipe is the cucumber. It promotes hydration, especially during the summer, to beat the heat. And now let's roughly chop it into pieces. Let's add these pieces into the blender. Next, add in 1 small piece of ginger. Add in a few basil leaves for flavor. It also nourishes the skin. Lemon juice, of course. Chaat masala for that little zing. Also a few cubes of ice. Blend all these ingredients together. If you feel the need to add a little bit of water, do so. But I'm just going to add in a few more cubes of ice and crush it. Time to assemble this juice. So over here, I've taken about 1 tablespoon of sabja seeds or basil seeds, soaked it in water for an hour. Sabja seeds are very hydrating and cooling. A few slices of cucumber into the glass, a few cubes of ice, and let's pour this juice. And remaining, just add in some water. Give this a stir. 2 delicious juices are ready to energize your mornings. Give this a try. Let me know how it turned out. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.